Configure a static IP address on a Kali Linux. So let's begin. Here I have a Kali Linux operating system installed on VMware Workstation. So just open terminal. You can also configure IP address by directly editing a network configuration file. So let me check my present working directory. It's a /root. Now need to go into /etc network folder and just list it. You can see interface file. It's a network configuration file. You can direct edit this file and assign IP address to this machine. If you want to configure IP address by accessing graphical tool, here you can see it's a network symbol. Just click on it and go into wired connection and click on wire setting and just click on setting button of wired and just click on IP version 4 and select manual. You can assign IP address by manually or by using DHCP. Before assigning IP address, you just need to decide which IP address will be used for Kali Linux operating system. We first decide which IP address will be used for which machine. So I will assign 10.0.0.2 to the Kali Linux operating system and IP subnet mask will be 255.0.0. And now gateway will be, if you have a router you can assign gateway address like 10.0.0.1. I don't have a gateway, so I am not assigning gateway IP address to this machine. If you have a DNS address, you can assign DNS. I have a Windows Server 2016 and I have installed a DNS role in it. So I will give IP address of a Windows Server 2016. There is already DNS configured and just apply it and just close it. And now use ifconfig command to verify which IP address is assigned to this machine. It's older IP address assigned by DHCP. So we need to down interface ETH0 you can see over here network symbol has been gone. Now we need to check again. ETH0 is not up. Let me up from down. Now network connection is up again. You can see graphical symbol of network and IP address is assigned with the 10.0.0.2. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you understand how to assign static IP address on Kali Linux. Thank you.